Okay, this is Mr. Loreline with your Honors 7 weekly roundup from November 16th until November 20th. So, let's start with literature. We're going to be finishing up an American play by finishing up reading chapters 10 and 11. And then we will get on to Shakespeare, okay? So we'll watch a little biography video, learn a little bit of background history, even have a little PowerPoint on the play that we're going to be reading, which is The Tempest. We will start with The Tempest. Quick Write, Guess Who? Kind of learn a little bit more background on Wednesday about The Tempest, and then begin reading it on Thursday. Reading Act 1, Scene 1, looking at some character analysis, and also do the same thing with some character analysis with Act 1, Scene 1, and Scene 2 on Friday. Okay, heading back to Monday, we are going to be finishing up the argumentative essay on farmers and government officials of ancient Egypt. Students will be finishing their concluding paragraph on Monday. We'll revise and edit it on Tuesday, and then of course the final copy will be due on Wednesday by the beginning of class. Then we are going to be talking about persuasion with advertisements. So we'll watch a little persuasive technique video, complete a worksheet, and then we will take what we learned on Wednesday, and apply it to Thursday. And then on Friday, we are going to start the activity, but wait, there's more, by creating our own advertisement. And what we will be doing on Friday is completing step 1 of that advertisement project. So that is your weekly roundup for Honors